Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a common challenge for designers, converting static raster images, like JPEGs or PNGs, into clean, scalable vector graphics. If you have ever struggled with blurry logos or images that pixelate when resized, this video is for you. We are going to use the powerful, free software Inkscape to turn your raster files into true vectors. If this video helps your workflow, please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Let's get started. First, open up Inkscape on your computer. To bring in your file, navigate to the top menu, click File, and then select Import, or simply press Ctrl+I on your keyboard. Once your image is on the canvas, make sure it is selected by clicking it with the Selection tool, which you can activate by pressing the S key. Now that your image is selected, we need to open the Trace Bitmap panel. You can do this by going to the Path menu and selecting Trace Bitmap, or by using the shortcut Shift+Alt+B. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This is where the magic happens. Depending on your image type, you have two main modes. For simple graphics, like black and white logos, choose a single scan mode. Brightness cutoff is excellent for silhouettes. You can drag the threshold slider to see how much detail is captured. If you want outlines, try edge detection. Or if you need a general outline of complex shapes, stick with Auto Trace. If you are working with photos or colorful icons, use the multicolor mode. Here you can set the number of colors or generate a grayscale version. A pro tip here is to enable Live Update in the bottom of the panel so you can see your vector path in real time before committing. Always remember to check the Remove Background box if you want to get rid of that white rectangle that often gets traced along with your image. When you are happy with the preview, click Apply. Inkscape will generate the vector right on top of your original image. Now, use your Selection tool to drag your new vector aside. You will notice it is infinitely scalable without losing quality. To see the underlying structure, click the Node tool or press N. You might see a lot of points. To clean this up and reduce your file size, go to Path and select Simplify, or use the shortcut Ctrl+L. This will streamline your lines and make your vector much easier to edit. Stacking is another great feature in multicolor mode. It allows you to overlap layers to ensure there are no gaps in your design. Take a moment to experiment with these settings, because every image responds differently to the trace algorithm. Once you are finished, you can export your new file as an SVG or any vector format you need. It is that simple to turn your pixelated images into professional vector art. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.